In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix ChatGPT not working. Now, there are a couple of reasons that this could happen. The first and the main reason is that there are just too many users on its platform right now, and it has reached its capacity. If that is so, then it's going to straight show you that it has reached its capacity. If that is so, then you need to wait out a couple of hours and use ChatGPT after that. If that is not the problem, then you can try to clear your browsing data. Click on the three dots on the top right and click on history and head over to history again. Once you do that, here you'll have an option of clear browsing data, and under basic, make sure that at least cookies and other site data is selected and at least 24 hours is selected. Now once you do that, you can click on clear data. What this does is it removes all of the caches, which are the unwanted files of your browser. If it still does not work out for you, then you can try using a VPN, because sometimes switching up regions or countries can also help in fixing this issue. Now the last and final thing that you can try out is try to open up a new browser. So if you're using Chrome previously, then you can use other browsers such as Brave or Microsoft Edge. And after you do that, you should be able to use ChatGPT without having any issues. But like I earlier said, the main reason is that there are too many users on this platform right now, and you need to wait out a couple of hours before you use it again. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.